Some of the other neat features of the digital multimeter are that it has a wrist strap, so it can be convenient to wear as a very large watch as you're making measurements. It has a stand, so you can flip the stand up and it can stand up, so it's easier to see as you're working. A lot of people will use the digital multimeter when they're troubleshooting their cars or their electrical circuits in their house. But a trained electrician should be doing that sort of work. And if you ever need to replace the batteries, or if you make a mistake in your measurement and you need to replace the fuse, you'll need to open up the digital multimeter. So this screwdriver is nice in that it allows you to flip between Phillips and flat, and there's two different sizes of Phillips and flat. So we're going to use the Phillips, and we're going to unscrew these screws in the back. So make sure it's off before you do this, and it also helps to take out the probes. So we're going to unscrew okay, and then you have to pull and you hear it click off. So in case you need to change the batteries, and I've never needed to change the batteries because this has an automatic shutoff that turns off your digital multimeter. It beeps at you and turns it off so that you don't accidentally forget it on. So you can see the digital multimeter is a circuit, and if you need to change the batteries, it's 2 AA batteries. And if you happen to measure current on the wrong setting, you need to, and you blow out the fuse, you need to replace the fuse here. So we've provided STEM clubs with this 5-pack of fuse replacements. So if the fuse blows out, you'll get incorrect readings on the sensitive milliamp setting, but pretty much all the functionality will work correctly. So to remove to replace the fuse, you need to gently pry with a screwdriver the old fuse out, take one of the replacements from this fuse pack and replace it, and then snap it back into place. So after you close this back up, you should hear a click at the top, and then you can reconnect the screws at the bottom. And this is how you change the fuse on your, or the batteries and the fuse on your digital multimeter. One other neat feature is that you can hold the probe tips in place on the side of the digital multimeter, like so. So it's easy to carry and not lose track of the probes.